Got the Whipple S2K here with Boost Engineering. This is our 1.6 liter Whipple Supercharger S2000 intake manifold kit we're running today. We're going to do some testing against some cars, see how it does, how it handles track use. So check out the video and see how it does.
S2K took it. I said S2K. S2K. My bad. Yo, we're trying to get this thing started right now. It isn't starting. So we're trying to get it started right now. Honestly, we don't know what's going on. Hopefully, it's not nothing crazy. Don't really see anything too crazy under there, man. Trying to see if maybe if it's a line or something like that. See nothing. Let's try. I don't know what's going on with this, but we're gonna find out soon, real soon. Yo, we just got this thing started back up. Definitely not stock. You can see the tire back there. Perfect. That's too good, man. We're gonna see what happens.
Pretty good against CL1.
That was a good race, though. That was a good race.
That thing is insane. Ooh, that thing is insane. Holy crap. That's fast.
Woo! Big tires.
All right. This thing is insane, man.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie though, I thought we had him for a second, and then he just was like, oh, no you don't.
He was sitting there spinning.
Yo, look at this freaking truck, bro. Oh my God. Those wheels, man. Yo, Daily Driven Exotics, I know you're probably watching this. Yo, Damon, you gotta do that. You gotta do that, bro. You gotta do that to the Hummer, man. Do that to the Hummer, bro. I'm telling you, it'll be worth it.